Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product was sent over by a company called MobiBot, and it is a 4-in-1, basically car safety device. This thing is a car jumper, tire inflator. It has a backup battery charging for your phone or your devices, and then it has an LED flashlight. So let's go over everything you're going to get. First, you're going to get a nice little carrying case that has everything to, you can store it all in here. It's very easy to just throw this in your trunk or throw it where your spare tire is. So that way, if you ever have an emergency, you are good to go. Then you're gonna get the device itself. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's got 2 rubber feet on the bottom. It's got a nice little handle here, so that makes it easy to carry around. On the back side, you're gonna have a little rubber door here. You're gonna have a USB Type-C port. This is an in and out port. Then you're going to have 2 USB-A ports to charge. Now, the USB Type-C is rated for 65 watts, and it does do the QC 3.0 fast charging. And you'll utilize that also to charge up the built-in battery on this thing. This thing has an incredible 20,000 mAh battery, so which is obviously what's needed to jump your car. Now, if you're not utilizing this, the battery itself is going to last for about 2 years on just standby, which is why it's a great little device to throw in your car. Now that is going to fluctuate a little bit, so I'd say after about 1.5 years, you want to double check it, or maybe even once a year, check to make sure the battery's good, because if you live in a hotter environment or colder, those extreme temperatures can adjust the battery time over time. Now below those little cables, you're going to have the DC in and the jumper cable slots. So this is going to come with, obviously you're going to get a user manual that tells you about it, but like I said, we're going over the features here in the video. But you're going to have the DC in. This is great, once again, for a safety situation. So let's say you do get a flat tire or something like this. You can plug this into that DC in, and then this plugs into your cigarette lighter. So if the battery is dead or something like that, you do have this, which is another nice feature. But then if you're utilizing it to jump your batteries, obviously you get the easy to use cables here, and then you get the little device on the bottom that is going to plug in to the little control panel itself. Now this is a 12 volt 4000 amp max jump, or for max peak I should say, and then it is rated for up to an 8-liter V8 gas engine or a 6-liter V6 diesel engine. So just keep that in mind when utilizing it. That's going to cover pretty much most basic cars out there. And then in addition to that, on the other side is where you are going to have the flashlight. The control up is on the top with the little sun. Now the flashlight's going to have 3 different modes. You're going to have just the standard LED flashlight, which is perfect like if you get a flat tire in the middle of the night. But you can also utilize this if you're changing the tire, turn it around and face the road, and you can do basically a strobe effect so people see you. And then if you're stuck somewhere and you're needing help, it also does have the SOS mode. Then at the bottom is you have where you will connect the air hose. So you are going to get an air hose, a little adapter here. This will just plug in on the one side, and then you have a little screw part that you can hook up to your tires. It does do the reading of what the current pressure is, and then it has the presets in there. So you can set those presets, and then it will go ahead and fill up and stop. Obviously, you can customize it to whatever PSI pressure that you need and set it up to, so because obviously all the tires are different. Now it does include in a bag here a couple of attachments for filling up inner tubes, and then also some bicycles, and then basketballs. I haven't really used this, so it's still in the bag, but you have basically to be able to fill up the other devices as need be. Now, in addition to all that, you are going to obviously get a Type-C to C cable that you can utilize for charging up the device, or a USB-A to Type-C charging cable, which you can also utilize charging up the device. Or obviously you can utilize these and plug into like your phone or your tablet if they end up running out of battery juice. But overall, it's a great little device. It's definitely perfect for It makes a great gift for anybody, or if you're concerned about basically having a dead battery or a flat tire. It's an all-in-one device, great device to keep in your car and around, just perfect for overall life safety. And I love the fact that it has that 20,000 lithium-ion battery, which is going to get you plenty of coverage. All the controls are easy to utilize on the top as far as switching through the various modes, and then it has a nice, easy-to-read screen as far as looking at the PSI and whatever modes you are on. So if you are in the market for either a car jumper or maybe a tire inflator, and you're looking for an all-in-one device that's easy to just throw in your car, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.